everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look back at the Pandas series, and we're going to look at the fill in a method. So alright, I have a data frame in memory right now, and it has one column, and this works for any size data frame. And what fill in a does is it actually goes through and fills any nil, empty, however you need to think about it, but a non-value. So right here, let's say you're working and you're wanting to take an average, but in a data frame, the data might be interpreted or it may be empty and it gets a non-value. Well, that's going to throw off all of your math, all your computations, everything. So this is a perfect example of how Pandas has taken things into account for you. So that's why it's so important to make sure you hit that subscribe and the notification bell, because this is what we do. We take one subject and build upon it. So all right, this is how simple it is. Fill in a, and then let's just, we want to call it 0. So it's a method, so we call the data frame, then fill in a, and then what the value you would like to fill, and it will then go and replace every non-value with what you'd like, and for any value. But mainly in your examples, they will be non-values. So there we go. Real quick video today, but we're building upon it, and we're going to start bringing in more data. So a lot of then cleaning that we have to do to handle and clean up empty, missing, duplicates. We'll start going through that. So as always, please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.